In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert calendar invite in Outlook email 2025. Step by step. We'll use Outlook on the web to send a calendar sharing invitation by email, so your recipients can easily view or manage your calendar right from their inbox. Start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Then select the official Outlook site to open your mailbox. If you aren't already signed in, log in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the correct profile, especially if you switch between personal and work accounts, so you share the right calendar. If your organization uses an extra sign-in prompt, complete that to continue. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, look to the left navigation and choose Calendar. If you don't see it, expand the panel or hover over the icons to reveal the calendar symbol. This switches you to the full calendar view. Your events should appear in the main grid. If you manage several calendars, confirm you're viewing the one you plan to share. On the left side, find the calendar you want to share. Hover over its name and select the three dots next to it to open more options. From that menu, choose Sharing and Permissions. This opens a panel where you decide who gets access and what they can do. In the address field, enter the email of the person or people you want to invite. You can paste multiple addresses one by one, and Outlook will send each of them an invitation. For external contacts, use the primary email address they check most often. Double check spelling so the invite lands in the right inbox. Next, pick the appropriate permission level. If you only want others to see when you're free or busy without details, choose the most limited option. If they need to see event titles and locations, select a view that includes more detail. Only choose Edit Permissions if the person truly needs to add or change events on your calendar. You can revisit this panel anytime to change or remove someone's access. When you're ready, click Share. Outlook will email a calendar invitation to each recipient. They can accept from that message, and your calendar will appear in their Outlook under Shared Calendars. If a recipient can't find it, ask them to check their junk folder or wait a moment, as some organizations filter new sharing emails. Note that some companies restrict external sharing. If that applies, sharing may be limited to people inside your organization. That's it. You searched Outlook, signed in, opened calendar, used the three-dot menu, selected sharing and permissions, added recipients, chose the right permission, and hit share. You've successfully inserted a calendar invite into an Outlook email.